Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new here, hi, I'm Tahsina, and this is a little corner of the internet where I share bits of my life here in Finland. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a slow, rainy kind of vlog. The kind where you just take a breath and go with the flow of the day. So grab a tea or coffee, get cozy, and let's start. If you've ever been to Finland in the summer, especially in June or July, then you probably know what I'm about to say. Rain, lots and lots of rain. You might think summer here is all sunshine and lakeside picnics, but more often than not, it's grey skies and drizzle. And honestly, I kind of love it. I know many people find rainy days gloomy or inconvenient, but for me, it brings a strange kind of comfort. I think my love for rain started during my undergrad days. I had to stay in a different city, one that was actually known for having the highest rainfall in our country. It would rain out of nowhere, like you'd be walking to class and boom, it's pouring. We just got used to it. Rain became this everyday companion, something we stopped complaining about and started living with. Over time, it kind of grew on me. That smell of wet earth, the sound of drops hitting the roof, the way everything slows down. But some days, the rain feels heavier, not outside, inside. Like today. Today's rain felt kind of depressing. And maybe that's because I've been going through a bit of a rough patch lately. My husband broke both bones in one of his legs recently. He had surgery and now he's on complete bed rest. We had all these plans for the summer, day trips, hikes, simple joys, and well, none of it's happening. You know how sometimes you make plans and life just whispers, actually nope, I've got something else in mind. Yeah, one of those seasons. So right now, I'm managing everything on my own. Grocery runs, cooking, cleaning, taking care of him, it's a lot, but I'm trying to take it one day at a time. Even today, it was pouring, but I had to go out. Our supplies were running low. Also, quick side note, this bag is a lifesaver. The supermarket is kind of far from our place and I usually carry quite a bit. So I use this bag with wheels and a built-in stand. It's super easy to drag around and actually fits a ton. I even use it when we travel. I got it from TEMU. I'll leave the link in the description if you are curious. Right now, I'm focusing on giving him a balanced, nutritious diet. It's kind of funny, sometimes I miss eating junk food or comfort food, but I try to eat what he eats too, makes things simpler. Though I do sneak in something tasty for myself once in a while, you'll see later. And if any of you have gone through something similar or have tips on foods that help with recovery and bone healing, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. So here's what I picked up from the store today. Some fresh veggies, fruits, milk, bread, a little fruit juice, sugar and salt-free tomato sauce, and a pizza. Yes, a pizza. That's my little guilty pleasure. Total comfort food. I'm not even ashamed. When things get a bit too much, pizza always shows up for me. After putting everything away, I got started on lunch. I decided to try something new today. Salmon soup. I came across a pretty simple recipe online and it actually turned out really well. Surprisingly well, considering it was my first time making it. I found a good deal on salmon at the supermarket, so I thought why not? Plus, I already had some leaks at home from earlier this week, so I cleaned and chopped everything. The salmon had skin on, but I didn't use the skin. I just removed it and cut the fish into small cubes. The recipe was super easy but tasted so hearty and warm. You start by frying the leeks in a bit of butter. Your kitchen will already start smelling amazing at this point. Then I added chopped potatoes and carrots. Poured in some fish stock. You can also use veggie stock if you like. And then the salmon goes in. A bit of cream, a pinch of black pepper. Let it all boil together. And that's it. Simple, nourishing, and perfect for a rainy day. Honestly, it felt nice to cook something new, give the day a little lift. Later, I went for a short walk to a nearby park, just to clear my head a bit. For dinner, I wanted something a little different, just for me, so I baked that pizza in the oven, poured a glass of fruit juice, and watched a series I've been following lately. And that was pretty much my day. Nothing fancy, just a mix of emotions, responsibilities, small joys, and lots of rain. If you made it this far, thank you for spending the day with me. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.